Hi team, it's Miss Cash and happy Monday. I am doing my best to record in a way that is less frustrating and that you can hear better. So I'm recording on my phone today. I'm really hopeful that this will work and you'll be able to hear everything I am saying. I am so sorry for those videos in the past where you couldn't hear all of the math teaching I was doing. All right, make sure you have a pencil and a piece of paper and let's get started. This first question, let's see if I can set this up. Yep. This first question asks, what is the perimeter of this shape? And then it's labeled 2 feet, 6 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, and 7 feet. Your job is to figure out the perimeter, which it means how long around is this shape. Take a second, you can begin to solve. Okay, so I know that whenever I am asked for the perimeter of a shape, it means that I need to figure out how long around it is. So first I'm going to see how many sides this has. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that my number sentence should have 5 different parts. Now I'm going to write an addition number sentence thinking about each side. 6, sorry, my marker's being a little weird. 6 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2 equals question mark. Remember, because perimeter means the distance around. Now, I'm going to see if I can make any friendly tens in here. Well, I know that 7 plus 3 is 10, and 4 plus 6 is 10. So I can do some splitting here. 10 plus 10 plus 2, which is the number left over, equals 10, 20, 22. Now, am I done when I get to 22? I am not, because the unit for this shape was feet. So my answer is 22 feet. All right, your next job is to figure out what shapes these are and write down what you know about them. Okay, so this shape has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So it is a 4 sides rectangle or a quadrilateral. And I also know that it has 2 sides that are the same length here and 2 other sides that are the same length there. So it is a rectangle. Any quadrilateral can have 4 sides, but it's a rectangle because it has 2 equal sides here and 2 more equal sides here. Now this is a stop sign, one of my favorite shapes. That has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. And so it is a hexagon. Any shape with 6 sides is a hexagon. All right, let's move on. Let's make sure you can see this. Okie doke. Miss Cashin has 32 ice pops to pass out. I want to make sure that you can see that number. It's pretty important. She has 32 ice pops to pass out. She has 4 friends. How many ice pops does each friend get? Write a number sentence to match, and then show your work. Okay. So I know that 32 is my total because that's the number of ice pops I have. I'm going to circle it. And I know that 4 is also important because that's the number of friends I have. Anytime I'm splitting something up into equal groups, it's got to be a division number sentence. So 32, which is my total, divided by 4, because I need to split it into 4 equal groups, equals blank. Now, every time I have a division number sentence, I know that there is a part that is the number in each group and the part that is the number of groups. This 4 is the number of groups because I know that I have 4 friends. This question mark is going to be the number in each. That makes sense because I'm trying to find out how many ice pops each friend got. So now that I have a number sentence to match, I need to figure out how many ice pops each kiddo got. Now, you could solve this problem by drawing 32 different ice pops and then making groups of 4 because 4 is the part that we know. But I'm going to instead use a number line because I think it'll be faster. 32 is where I start on the number line, and I'm going to count backwards because I know my total, but I don't yet know my parts. I'm going to count backwards by 4s because 4 is the part that I know. It's the number of groups because it's the number of friends. 32 minus 4, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28. 28 minus 4 is 24 because 8 minus 4 is 4. 24 minus 4 is 20 because 4 minus 4 is 0. 20 minus 4 is 16. 19, 18, 17, 16. 16 minus 4 is 12, which makes sense because 6 minus 4 is 2. 12 minus 4 is 8. 11, 10, 9, 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now I have to count my hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each kid gets 8 ice pops. I figured that out by using the total and counting back by the part I know, the number of groups, to find the number in each. All right, team, hopefully you could hear that way better. Have an awesome Monday, and I'll talk to you all soon.